Good morning students. Welcome back to your grammar class. Today we are going to study chapter number 16 from your grammar textbook, that is can, may, should and must. So where do we use the word can? We use the word can to show ability, capacity, power, possibilities, permission and offer. What is ability? Ability means kshamta, okay, where one is able to do something. You are able to do something, or I am able to do something. Capacity means how much that person or that thing can hold, okay, holding capacity. Power we already know, okay. What is power? Power is how much more powerful you are, okay, or the other person is. So to show power, takat, you use can, okay. Possibilities. What is possibility? Possibility is that it can happen, okay. Things can happen, that something is going to happen is possibility. Permission, to ask for permission and to give permission, can is used, and to offer something to somebody, can is used, okay. Offer करना, किसी को कुछ बोलना, किसी के लिए कुछ करना, okay. So let us see some examples. First we will see the example of ability. I can run fast, okay. This is your ability. You are able to run fast. So this is your ability. This bottle can hold 5 liters of water. So it is the capacity of the bottle that we are showing, that this bottle can hold 5 liters of water. So it is the holding capacity of the bottle. So we are using can to show the capacity of the bottle. Then, can you run faster than me? I am asking you, I am showing my power, that see, I am so powerful and I can run very fast. So I am showing you my power and I am asking you, can you run faster than me? So this is showing of power, and for showing of power what we are using? We are using can, okay. Heavy rains can destroy houses. So this is a possibility that if it rains heavily, it can destroy your house. So it is a possibility that heavy rains can destroy houses, okay. Can I go out with my friends? I am asking for permission. Can I go out with my friends? So your father or your mother you are asking to, they may accept or they may refuse, but you are asking for permission. How you are asking for permission? You are using can to ask for permission. Can I go out with my friends? And what will your father reply to you? Yes, you can go out with your friends. So to ask for permission, can is used, and to give permission also can is used, okay. Can I make tea for you? So I am offering you that can I make tea for you? I am offering you to make tea for you, okay. So for offer, okay, to give offer to somebody we use can. Can I make tea for you? Okay. The negative form of can is cannot, okay. Can is a positive version and cannot is a negative form of cannot. If you want to show a possibility that this can happen, you will use can. And if you want to show the possibility that something will not happen, you will use cannot, okay. So I cannot dance, okay. So I am showing a negative side, that I cannot dance. She cannot speak English. So it is not her ability to speak English, okay. She is not capable of speaking English. So for things that will not happen or things that are not possible, we use cannot. The second after can is may. So where do we use the word may? May is used to show possibility, permission, order and to give blessings, okay. So may is used to show possibility. Now you may get confused that can is also used to show possibility and may is also used to show possibility. So let me take away your confusion, that when you are sure that something is going to happen, then you will use can. But when you are not sure that something is going to happen but it may happen, okay, when you are not sure but it may happen, then you will use may to show possibility. Okay, so the difference of showing possibility is, when you are sure that a thing is going to happen, you will use can, and when you are not sure that that thing is going to happen, you will use may. Okay, now permission. Okay, permission is also the same thing like possibility. You use can also to ask for permission and you use may also to ask for permission. But what is the difference? The difference is, here you are very politely asking somebody for a permission. Okay, you need something and you are in